Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save Instagram Reels to your gallery. Whether we want to keep favorite videos offline or save our own content for later, this tutorial is for us. On the Instagram dashboard, saving Reels is simple. All we have to do is follow these easy steps. We will learn how to save Reels to the computer or gallery. First, let's go to the Reels section on the left side of the Instagram dashboard. Once we are here, we need to choose the video we want to download. For example, let's select this one. Now we just have to click the three horizontal lines, select the More option, and then copy the link. Once the link is copied, we need to open a new tab, go to Snap Insta, and open the website. Once we are on the website, all we have to do is paste the link we copied from Instagram, and then click Download so the video saves to the desktop. As we can see, the video is now downloaded. We can also use the Save Insta app to download other videos, or simply save the video directly to the desktop. This method lets us save Instagram Reels straight to the phone gallery using simple built-in features. And that's it. Now we know how to save Instagram Reels to the gallery or desktop.